Oh my goodness. Oh.
Ok, tírame una foto aquí en la ventana, así pensativa.
Ay, pensativa.
Dios mío.
¿En qué estás pensando?
Hi guys, so...
Turn the cold off.
Huh?
Turn the cold off.
Alright guys, so I have my bathing suit on. And now we're just gonna go... Do I look good? I don't know how this camera looks. Now we're just gonna go to the water park. They have 2 water parks here. It's really big. It's really nice. So... Say hi.
Hey guys.
Alright, so we came here with my dad's church. Ooh. Ooh.
What?
Right.
Oh.
So we came with my dad's church. We're gonna show you guys a little bit of the room. What are you doing?
I don't know.
Alright, so
I'm gonna
this is
turn it
our room right here.
Go to the off.
Okay. And here we have a microwave. Hey, and a little Josue.
By the way, check it. Not the paper, with binoculars.
He loves stuff like that. And then we have the fridge. And we're gonna go to the door to leave. And then it has a safe. Has a bathroom here. And then it has here. This is so weird. Like the bathroom's here and then the sink is here. So it's like it's outside. But it's very weird. And then this is where we were. We have like a little table and stuff. A little TV. We also have like a little fireplace there. And then this is the room for my friend. She's here with us. This is her room. Hey, hey. And then her bathroom's there. But yeah, this is our room. It's very cozy. It's very nice. I like it. You like the room, babe? You like the room?
Yeah, I love the room.
It's nice, right?
Actually, everything's nice in here.
It's so much nicer than the other one we were in. Like, so much nicer. I like it. And I'm wearing this because my hair is really bad today. So, I have to wear that. But yeah, what are you doing?
Look, we have for tissues.
Those tissues?
Yeah.
Oh. Come on. Oh, Lord.
What?
Wait, you put it there? Yeah?
Yeah, it was.
Was it there already?
Yeah, it was there already.
You took it out?
Look, it's in, but it's like weird, not.
Oh.
Whatever.
Okay, bye.
You're doing really good. Look, she's on the radio now.
Oh yeah?
Where is she?
She's this girl that just like started doing things like that.
Bonito.
I'm so happy.
Hola.
Ande, Mar. Mira, a ver, Marco.
¿Y aquí para qué?
Ya no va a estar en el video, yo no voy a foto para él. Okay.
Wait, so how do we...
No, this is for this.
How do we go in there?
Where's the entrance for the Ebates?
Down the stairs to the right.
Down the stairs
Oh,
here?
okay.
Okay, thank you.
Bajando los escalones. Ocasia, bajando los escalones. Oh, aquí.
Pagando, no creo, sí. Arriba o aquí abajo de ser. What's up, man? What's up, little guy? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Estás feliz? Yeah. Yeah, alright. Yeah, I'm making a video. You wanna say something to the people watching you? What do you wanna say? You got 5 seconds. Come on.
This is my vlog. I never actually been in a video, but this is my first time.
All right, everybody, you heard it here. This is his first time. Vamos, Jona, no se pierda. Tiene que darle con esta. Oliver, you have your thing? Scan over here. Remember the concrete track? Oh. Okay, yeah, so. All right, thank you. I don't know.
Nice.
Wow.
That's a common manager.
Okay.
This is so nice.
What's talking about you?
I know, you always come here and it's really nice.
Oh, this is the first time I'm at a water park without glasses.
Oh yeah, he has contacts on. I'm actually scared.
Look.
Oh, is that a deer?
A deer.
Cool. Yay. Oh my god, look how far.
Oh, you can't get it right. Do this one, but with the, it's like that in the background. So.
What do you mean? Yeah, with that, yeah.
And then this one, starting with this one. And...
Alright guys.
We're not leaving.
Huh?
Yeah. Grab the keys.
Oh, I was knocking. I was knocking the car.
But you were knocking for me. Huh? You were knocking for me to like open it, right?
Yeah.
But not that I was inside. You were like letting me know to open it.
Yeah.
Okay.
We just put an arm and a leg to do zip line stuff. So.
To do 3 activities
Put in your pocket.
in the
Come on, let's go.
up in the mountain. Oh, squishing.
Dale, dale. Get the sneakers.
Put this there. Try to cover it with something so it won't get like it won't melt or get hot. Like the white bag behind us.
Put our sneakers on. Hello,
Hold
y'all.
on. Wait.
Huh?
Close the door. Move over there. Stop. Now, come and just peek like that until you look like this. Like you look. No. Just kind of like you're looking over. Like the edge of the screen right there is the balcony. Like this is the balcony. You see that? And adjust your head. Look down. All right, hold on. Stay there. Stay there.
He's such a loser. And we're out.
Yo, that was awesome. That was, oh yeah, first time, that was best.
Give me like 5 minutes and then I'll upload your photos up there
Yeah.
and you can check them out.
Okay, great.
Thank you.
Great.
Go down
All
there.
right, yeah, let's go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Teléfono? Aquí está. Se cayó. No hay más. Okay, we are tired, not because of the rides, but from all this walking.
Money out.
So how was it?
Awesome.
Nice.
Yes, that was the best. Where do we go? Just, oh, over there?